think our customers are finding out that they are a lot more capable than they think they are.
We've been building really this MES platform for discrete manufacturers for a little over 10 years now, and really excited today as we're running this production lab with 5 of our customers and our engineering team in how we can actually bring customers' needs directly to the engineers.
And 2 days to hack out the best solution that our customers can bring to us.
I use machine metrics every day. I use Max AI to help me create reports, charts, focus my attention to the areas that need improvement.
We currently have boards all across our plant with paper charts and pens and markers, and we collect that data every single day. We're talking about shaving hours a day from the management team on collecting this data.
One of the machinists will be done with the setup, they'll trigger that workflow, and then that will send an alert to the quality team saying, hey, this is ready. Machine's down until you give them the green light to go ahead and run production.
Within a day and a half, we were able to design something that would probably take months to have created previously. And it's tailored specifically to our operation. And it's very hard to find software that fits what we do specifically. So having the ability to sit down with engineers and really customize to exactly what we need is the big benefit that I saw.
But just by talking through what exactly does the forklift driver need to see in the moment, we're able to simplify it tremendously. And that was all through the eyes of the customer.
We're like a few hours or half a day in, and we have a functioning dashboard that actually shows how long each tool is in a machine before being replaced.
It's kind of crazy to see like the thought that I had in my mind already kind of come alive.
When they're starting to realize like, oh, if I want this thing, I could just do it, or someone can easily help me do that. And I think all of a sudden a whole world of manufacturing software, MES features, things like that they thought, I wish I could have that, but I probably can't, or it'll take me a while to get that, or have our vendors build that for us. Now they're starting to realize, I can think about my whole business differently.
With the changes to AI and machine metrics, embracing those changes, this opens up a ton of doors for us. The introduction of Carbide, letting folks like me be able to create apps on the fly to fit our unique business needs is incredibly helpful. On the back of the napkin, quick math says on daily data collection manually, we're able to save roughly $20,000 a year on able to obsolete other systems, saving another $20K easily. So I think the immediate value is here just on this one short project.
We're going to see 5 applications coming out of this production lab that will be used on site at our customer. We're going to